Hi everyone, welcome back to M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda, and let's get right into this video. I don't want this video to be too long. I know everybody has been wondering, how has the Siser, however you guys want to pronounce it, direct to vinyl is holding up on the t-shirts that I made, and versus the dark fabric transfer paper that I also used on 2 t-shirts. So for the direct to vinyl Siser, this one here, this is the Sonic image that I put it on, okay? And if you can see after, or what, this is not the one, this one is the one that I made, and when it first came out, some water, he was standing by the kitchen sink, and some water touched his shirt, and it's smeared right there. So I don't know if it was just too soon for it to touch water or what, but this is the one that got washed 7 or 8 times, and the letters, after the 3rd time, the letters started lifting, and I did not press it this time when I took it out the wash. I actually wanted to show you all what it looked like this time that it came out. And I hung dried these shirts, all of them that I'm about to show you in this video. I hang dry just about all my kids' shirts if I consider them being like a good shirt. Okay, so this is what this one looked like, but I'm almost certain if I put it under the heat press, it'll straighten back out. All right, so I don't know if the letters lifted after the 3rd time because I didn't press it long enough. I just have to keep playing with it, but this is expensive. Like I explained in the other video, this is $20, and you only get 5 vinyl sheets and then the mask that lifts your design up to place on the shirt. So I don't know. I don't know about this. Like I said, after the 3rd wash, I always press my shirts twice, you know, to make sure that the design is on there good. So I kind of am hesitant about that one. Now for the dark fabric transfer paper for the HTVRONT. All right. Something happened that I didn't think would happen, and I'm about to show y'all. So again, about 7 times these 2 shirts got washed. This is the Wonder Nation from Walmart, and then this is the 100% cotton for Gildan. This panda here, I don't know, he's not like white like he is on the other one. This one was white, and I'll explain them stains in a minute if you guys can see them stains. So he looks a little grayish, but other than that, it's holding up pretty good, and it still feels soft. The direct to vinyl by Siser, the design still feels soft on those also. And again, I washed and hung dried all these shirts, okay? And I washed them inside out just to be safe. So the design is still soft. My panda looks a little like he's got gray on him, but to me, it's holding up pretty good, and it's okay. But now for this one, it's still soft. But my son got juice on it. And what happened is I took it off. I took the shirt off of him, hurried up and threw it in the wash to see if it, you know, would not stain, but it stained. So I'm thinking because it's paper, then yeah, it only makes sense that if you get like any juice or whatever, something colorful on your design, it is gonna stain. It's stained all the way, even on the letters right there. So I like this, and the image are soft, you know, so all I would have to do is probably flip it, put it under my heat press if I didn't want to iron it with the regular house iron, and it'll look like new. So I would use this paper for personal use, unless a friend or a family member likes one of my kids' designs and they're like, hey, can you make me a shirt? Then I would explain to them, you got to be careful, don't spill nothing, because it'll ruin the whole design. And for this one, again, the letters, the image started lifting after the 3rd wash, so I would probably buy me another pack just to try it, to see if maybe it was me, if I didn't press it long enough. And after that, if it does the same thing, then no, I will not be using this. So yeah, I think it's to each his own though, you know, like it may work for you, it probably won't work for me. You know, it all depends on what you prefer. So I'm just letting you know that the HTVRONT stained the image, okay, juice stained that one, and the Siser Like I said, this one right here, water got on it when I first made it, and that happened right there. But this one got washed and nothing happened other than it lifting on the letters and stuff. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Again, I would continue to use the HTVRONT paper for personal use unless somebody asks otherwise, and then I would just explain to them how to care for the t-shirt and try to keep your image looking nice and new. All right, so inside out, washed. I washed them in cold, hung dry them overnight, let them dry, and then yeah, that's pretty much how I did these. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want me to try something that you don't want to try because you're kind of scared how it's going to turn out, and maybe I'll do it, you know. So just let me know if you guys want me to try something. Leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye.